I'm going to demonstrate how we can call MySQL stored procedure from Node.js using Express and TypeScript. So as you know, this is the part 2 of the video series of library management system. So let's move to the Visual Studio Code to see the demonstration. Here is the same code or project on which we were working in video of chapter 5. So let's see. Here I have the same code written and I will copy it from here and then I will explain. So I have copied it here and let me go ahead and put it here. So now you can see I have added the code here, and here you can see this is the post type of API I have created, and this is the endpoint. It will be attached with the base URL, and here I have created the connection pool. So here I have passed all the parameters available or required for connecting the database, and here I have trying to connect with the credential, and here if there will be any error then it will return it with this message and this complete response. And here I have written the stored procedure query what I am going to call. So let me show you the stored procedure. So you can see here this is the stored procedure what I am about to call using the Node.js, and I have already called it in the last video which was related to the MySQL database. So once I will call it from here, suppose I am putting it here, and once I will call it, then you can see one row is affected, and we can see the row from here. Okay, so this is the last data, and I am going to call the same procedure with the same way from Node.js application. So here is the same procedure, and here I am passing the parameters with the question mark here. So this is the variable what I have created, the SQL query, and I have passed it here in the query section, and it is coming from the connection, and connection is created here. You can see this is the connection. When we got the connection, then the connection will be in the param of the function, and from that connection I am accessing the query. Okay, and in the query the first thing or the first parameter is the text of, or we can say SQL syntax, and the rest, this parameter is the parameter of SQL what I am about to pass to call the procedure. Okay, and you can see here I am getting all these things from the request body, the email, phone, and the password. And here again, if there is any error, then it will return from here, and if there is a success, then it will return from here. Okay, and rest are the console which we can see in the log, the working functionality. Okay, and that's it. So in this request, so now let me go ahead and first build the project. So I will run here npm run build. So now the TypeScript code will be converted into the JavaScript. So if you want to learn about this command, then you must need to watch my earlier videos or previous videos from series 1, okay, or chapter 1. So now I will execute the JavaScript code which is available in the dist folder. So now I will run npm start. So you can see now the application is listening on port 3000. That means I need to call the API at port 3000. So you can see here this is the Postman, and I will use this to call the procedure. So this is the post type of API, and here is the register what I have added over there to access the endpoint, and here is the three things which I am passing in the request body, and here is the all these things I will pass in the body. So let me click on send here, and once I will click here, then you can see that I got the success response. Okay, so now let's go ahead and verify whether this email ID is present in the database or not. So let me select it. Okay, so here you can see this is the new data, okay, with the new password. Okay, so like this you can call the stored procedure from the Node.js application. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you want to learn more, then keep watching my next video, okay, which I will upload frequently. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any query or suggestions, please don't hesitate to write in the comment section.